me this tuna. And this is the bus we need to take. And we have arrived at Taiwan Fisherman Chun. And the bus fare was actually $13.9. And from the bus stop, we are going to walk past the Lok Ma Chau sign, and then we are going to keep on this Lok Ma Chau path. And on our right, we have the Taiwan Fisherman Chun, and lastly, we're going to turn left. And in the 1970s, a lookout tower was built on Lok Ma Chau near the Hong Kong border, which is this Lok Ma Chau lookout border. It can overlook the vast farmland and rural buildings along the Shenzhen River. Since it was difficult for Westerners to enter China at that time, this became a popular tourist destination. However, due to the reform and opening up policy as Shenzhen develops, the only tourist attraction that Westerns loved was the North Korean border, where they could see the backward communist society and the interesting scenery of the observation deck that was no longer as good as before. And in the early 2000s, the Lok Ma Chau observation deck was renovated and expanded into the Lok Ma Chau garden, where many rhododendrons were planted. But unfortunately, that day we didn't see that many rhododendrons. So let me know if you do see the rhododendrons. And now we're gonna go out of the lookout pavilion. And you will walk past the Lok Ma Chau police station sign, and you have to go into this hilly road. Tit Keng is in the northern part of Hong Kong and may have been named after Tit Keng village on its southern slope. We are now halfway up Tit Keng Shan, and we are just appreciating this beautiful view. By the way, can someone teach me how to export Insta360 videos in 360-degree angles? Because it looks a bit weird. After we took a photo by this rock, it's like it's going up. Even though it's the only first thing we've met, what would I do if I never came to this group? I would have never been able to meet an angel like you. After flying my drone at Tit Keng Shan, we are gonna start heading down to the next hill. There's a no-name trig here. It's quite steep here, so I have to take away my Insta360. And we're going to these two great ones. We are currently looking for the way to the car road, we face this way. Oh. You things like these, you know. You will walk past this yellow sign and don't go up. Keep to your right-hand side. Made it back to the car road cause there was a dog just now. And we were so scared. Okay, we have to close this. Wait, more hatching. We couldn't go to Chung Leng because there's a dog on the right and we're both scared of dogs. So we're now gonna go back to the hill. So we went through this road and went up this little slope. And from this road, we are going to go up these stairs. And we will arrive at Mount Kirkpatrick. And we have arrived at Mount Kirkpatrick. And I'm gonna try and fly my drone here. Mount Kirkpatrick is a mountain in Hong Kong located at the junction of Lok Ma Chau in Yuen Long District, West New Territories, and Kutong in Northeast New Territories. The west of the mountain belongs to Yuen Long District, and the east of the mountain belongs to the North District. It is very close to Snake Ridge and Tit Keng, and Mount Kirkpatrick is 104 meters. I'll never forget these days. I'm so glad that I came to this group, cause I made it to this wonderful trip. Okay, so from Mount Kirkpatrick, we're gonna go back the way that we came from and go back to Tsuen, which is over there. And we had to go down the way that we came up. And go back up the slope again until you reach the no-name tree. After we sat down here for like 5 minutes, we're gonna go back up to that crossway and turn right to She Ling. Snake Ridge is close to the border of Lok Ma Chau with an elevation of 143 meters. It overlooks Ho Hak Wai to the north. That kind man just gave me this fat bowl joke because I didn't bring any food. Cause I thought we'll finish at 1 p.m. and 1 p.m. is my usual lunchtime. And I told him I'm feeling a bit not enough energy. And this is our lunch. It's wonderful. We just took a half an hour lunch break here, and he sung some Russian songs for me, and I also sang some Cantonese songs for him. And now and around She Ling, there are around 6 villages. These include Ma Chau New Village and Singi New Village. Yay! And I got my $3. Snake Ridge is located in Lok Ma Chau, and it used to be part of the Frontier Closed area, and it's a small hill near Tai Shek Mall and Ma Chau Long. It is 143 meters above sea level, and together with the connected Tit Keng Mountain. It forms a winding mountain range that resembles the body of a snake, hence its name, Snake Ridge. It is also said that the mountain was named Snake Ridge because of the serious snake problem in the past. Since June 10, 2014, the area around She Ling fencing has been removed from the restricted area, and since then it has become a new hiking spot along with the nearby Ma Chau area. Oh my gosh, one just went on my sleeve, so we are gonna go now. You can use it wisely, don't waste another day. Cherish it before you lose it, it will never. Wow, there are so many miscampus plants here, and we're gonna keep going along here. As we were nearing the villages, we were a bit worried that there's gonna be dogs, so we asked some passerbys if there was dogs in the village, and they said the dogs are all locked in the cage, so they don't have to be afraid. And indeed, they're all locked inside. If I just listen to the and you will walk past that North District Council notice board, and then you have to turn left. And when you see this Hong Kong Police Lower Range sign, keep to your left-hand side road. When you pass by this AJ0239 lamppost, be sure to keep to your right, and then you will walk past a blue sign on the left that says going to She Ling village. We're not gonna go in, we are just gonna keep going forward. Apparently you touched your friend's back and she turned around and looked at you accusingly. You told a little Eastern couple. And eventually, it will lead you to the Ma Chau Tsuen village side. Oh, honey, why you gotta steal other people's money? Don't you know it makes them feel? Don't forget to drink some water if you're thirsty. Find a job. We are now at Liu Pok Road, and we are going to go up this road to Lei Yue Shan. I remember I was feeling quite tired that day as I walked a lot the day before, so I was checking how long we've got left. The building opposite is 雲響國際科技金融中心. And we're now walking down to Ma Chau Central. I swear I remember my dad parked his car here, maybe like COVID time, and we walked up that road. We found E&M's flag and a trip over because I wanted to come and film this flag. Just finished flying my drone here. It's from happening. I guess I was wrong. I thought that this was gonna be a lifelong friendship, but I guess it wasn't meant to be. And I'm going to go around this area and then we're gonna go down. Wow, look at this tree. It's so cute. Talk to me if you didn't have to. 呢個係 Tommy 同我第一次食雞蛋仔。